Shit, they're going really fast.
There's only Tom stop, and then normally there's a few. I can't get.
It's so tight.
This is ridiculous. Sorry, it's the smell. Yeah. This is like the most difficult save we've had.
Yeah, they're quite untimed through the clips as well, these ones.
For God's sake. It's going really far. Is it? Is Tom the only person stopping it?
Yeah.
I'll go.
Oh, we need to help.
Anybody else got a high vis on?
No, I haven't. There is a high vis in my walker if anyone wants it.
Be careful, be careful.
Oh. Shit.
Oh, be careful, he's going fast. He's going fast, move out the way.
Shitting hell, this is really scary.
Be careful, he's up.
Oh. Oh. It's okay, little one. It's okay. Hi, babe. It's gonna be okay. They're going really fast.
Hey, be careful, be careful. Watch your feet, watch your feet.
I will. Sorry, my love.
That's right.
This is very difficult. It's not usually this hard, trust me.
Yeah.
Oh, you've got a good camera.
Yeah, it's very hard to focus though, so I need to be like a certain distance away.
Hi, sweetheart. Hello, sweetheart. I know. I'm so sorry, baby.
Oh, be careful, be careful. It's really tight round here, really tight.
Oh!
Be careful, it's really
This is
tight.
just not possible.
Well, we'll be more organised for next time. We'll see it coming, didn't we?
Lizzie, I'm going to help you. Are we able to get these up?
I don't know, but that cunt round there is not even trying to invite us.
I know. Sorry. Oh, baby. That was really sad. I know. How do we get this off? It's going to be taken up in a minute anyway. We might as well just...
The trouble is,
Sorry.
Matt did it last time.
I know, but we're going to do it anyway, so why... For God's sake. Lizzie, are we able to...
I can't get those clips off. No, I physically can't get them off.
This is pissing me off. Got that poo.
Look at the state of them.
It's alright, sweetheart. It's alright, sweetheart. It's gonna be alright. Except it's fucking not. Is that it? Is that all we're gonna get? It's alright, is that all we're gonna get? That was useless. For fuck's sake.
No,